Design thinking at ServiceNow, a customer-centric approach. ServiceNow has embraced design thinking as a core methodology to drive innovation and deliver exceptional customer experiences. Their focus on understanding customer needs, fostering collaboration, and iterative development has led to the creation of powerful and user-friendly solutions. Key aspects of design thinking at ServiceNow. Customer centricity. ServiceNow places the customer at the heart of everything they do. They invest heavily in understanding customer pain points and desires. Innovation. The company fosters a culture of innovation, encouraging employees to think creatively and challenge the status quo. Collaboration. Cross-functional teams work together to leverage diverse perspectives and create holistic solutions. Iterative development. ServiceNow follows an iterative approach to product development, allowing for continuous improvement based on customer feedback. Focus on simplicity. They strive to create intuitive and easy-to-use products, reducing the learning curve for customers. How ServiceNow implements design thinking. Customer journey mapping. ServiceNow maps out customer journeys to identify touchpoints and opportunities for improvement. This helps them create seamless experiences. Design sprints. They utilize design sprints to rapidly develop and test new ideas, accelerating the innovation process. User testing. ServiceNow involves real users in the product development process to gather insights and ensure the product meets their needs. UX design. They place a strong emphasis on UX design to create intuitive and engaging user interfaces. Impact of design thinking at ServiceNow. Improved customer satisfaction. By focusing on customer needs, ServiceNow has enhanced customer satisfaction and loyalty. Increased innovation. Design thinking has fostered a culture of innovation, leading to the development of groundbreaking products and services. Enhanced business value. ServiceNow's design-driven approach has contributed to increased business value and competitive advantage.
If you find this video inspiring, do not forget, like, share, and subscribe AIXPro.in videos.